Ever uploaded a YouTube video only to realize a bit at the beginning or end is totally unnecessary, or maybe a few seconds in the middle are just a euro awkward? Well, you can fix that right here, on YouTube itself. First things first, head over to YouTube Studio. Once you're in, navigate to the Content tab on the left-hand side, find the video you want to edit, hover over its title, and click on the Details pencil icon. This will take you to the video's editing page. Now, on the left-hand menu, look for the editor option and click it. This is where the magic happens, YouTube's built-in video editor. You'll see your video's timeline displayed prominently. To trim the beginning or end, simply click the trim and cut button. You'll now see blue handles on either side of your timeline. To trim the beginning, click and drag the left blue handle inwards. To trim the end, click and drag the right blue handle inwards. As you drag, the portion of the video you're cutting will darken. This visually shows you what will be removed. Once you've got the start and end trimmed just the way you like it, release the mouse button. But what about those awkward bits in the middle? You can cut those out too. To do this, hover over the timeline. Where you want to make a cut, you'll see a split icon appear. Click this split icon, and it will create a new blue trim handle, splitting your video into segments. Now, you can drag the right edge of the first section and the left edge of the second section to enclose the unwanted part again. The section between these two handles will be darkened, indicating it's about to be removed. You can create multiple cuts like this to remove several different segments. Once you're satisfied with all your trims and cuts, look to the top right corner of the editor and click on the Save button. YouTube will then process your changes, and your video will be updated with the removed sections gone. And that's it. You've successfully trimmed and cut your YouTube video using YouTube's free built-in editor. Now go forth and polish those videos.